How to apply for a job on Upwork. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can apply for a job on Upwork. So to do that, first of all, simply go to upwork.com and make sure you are logged into your Upwork account and also have your profile set up. Now, once you have your profile set up and are logged in, simply scroll down under jobs you might like and then you can filter by best matches, most recent or saved jobs. So I'll simply go with the best matches over here, and once you've done that, you can simply view all of the different jobs over here. So let's say you really like this job and you are fit for this job, so you want to apply for it. So what you'll have to do is simply tap on this job right over here and then you can see the details over here. So the fixed price is $15. It is an entry level job and you'll have to contract to hire. So simply tap on the option apply now, and then where it says proposal settings, it will simply say that this proposal requires 4 connects. Now since I have 50 connects, if I reduce 4, it will become 46. So I will have 46 connects remaining, which I can use to apply for another job. So you can simply view the job details, the skills and the expertise required, the terms. So if you want to bid more or less than this fixed price, you can do that. And it will also tell you the amount you'll receive and the 10% freelancer service fee. Now you will be able to choose how long this project will take. So I'll simply choose less than a month. And then if you want to add additional details, you'll have to enter a cover letter and some attachments related to your job or your experience. And if you want, you can boost your proposal. But if you don't, simply tap on the option send for connects. And once you've done that, you'll have successfully applied for a job on Upwork. Now it's really up to the client whether they will hire you or not. So all you have to do is simply wait and pray that they hire you for the job. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. And if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.